Imagine if meeting basic needs were a right, not a reward. Kate Detmer, Abode's Director of Housing in Alameda County, and Michael Wilson, Abode caseworker, tell us how the Rapid Rehousing Cash Assistance Program, or RCAP, helps people leaving homelessness find more than stability. They rediscover dignity.
So RCAP stands for Rapid Rehousing Cash Assistance Program. It's not a housing subsidy like Rapid Rehousing is, it's monthly cash assistance.
When people leave rehousing, financial support can mean the difference between stability and setback. RCAP offers 1 year of unconditional monthly cash assistance to help bridge that gap, empowering participants to use the funds as needed to rebuild their lives. Michael sees the impact on his clients.
They're adults and they want to be treated with just as much respect and dignity as you and I. So to have rules saying like, we're going to give you this money, but you can only pay it for rent, or you can only pay it for transportation, or you can't pay it for entertainment or anything like that, that can be very condescending, that can be very infantilizing. So just giving our participants the autonomy to use that income however they choose, that shows them that we respect them and we see them as mature, responsible adults who should be able to spend the money however they choose.
Both Kate and Michael believe that trust itself is transformative.
People underestimate the power to choose something. I think they underestimate how that can make somebody feel, and people genuinely underestimate how they feel when they don't have the power to choose something. The biggest thing that RCAP, outside of immediate funds, is that people have that power.
That freedom to choose builds confidence, ownership, and long-term commitment without bureaucracy or judgment.
To truly be able to give somebody something without a judgment attached to it for what they might spend it on, they may go do, is, I think, the ultimate kind of gift.
That gift ultimately shows people that they are worthy of help, health, and stability.
For people to get to a place to believe internally that they deserve the same things that you and I deserve is pretty rewarding.
Preventing homelessness is more compassionate and cost-effective than addressing it after the fact. RCAP helps fill financial, emotional, and social needs, ensuring families don't fall back into crisis once their housing program ends.
I think it fills in the gap by adding that extra income that so many of our participants need. When you consider how expensive the Bay Area is, you're not going to be able to afford your average monthly expenses on CalWorks alone. So having RCAP can really help fill in the gap there.
For some, that support meant the difference between hardship, health, and the freedom to care for themselves with dignity, like Kate's client.
He was on dialysis, and he opted to use his money to purchase an e-bike so he could get to treatment. He has since passed away. He was so overjoyed to have an easier way to take care of himself, because he was taking public transit and walking, and he had dialysis daily. And so to have the ability, because e-bikes are not inexpensive, to purchase something like that, to be able to take care of himself, something that it wasn't a want, it was a necessity, was really, he was so excited.
RCAP is more than money. It's hope, and a reminder that dignity, respect, and the power to choose can be the strongest foundation for lasting change.